sound is invisible, but it controls how your edit feels. Most editors treat it like an afterthought. That ends today. A good sound effect makes a moment feel deliberate. A cut becomes a hit. A movement becomes a moment. A transition becomes a decision. Don't rely on a single sound. Try layering sound effects to maximize their impact. Even pitch shift and stretch your sound effects until the moment feels right. Use a consistent sonic palette for your entire edit. If everything sounds like it belongs together, the viewer won't question anything. For sonic texture, transitions, and vintage sound palettes, try playsets from Videos Change Reality. And when you're ready, continue playing.